Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download Yuzu Emulator on PC. Firstly, you need to download some required software, which is Microsoft Visual C++. Normally, you would have it on your PC. Now head over to the official Yuzu download page. Click download button in the top right corner or directly download Windows version. Once the file is downloaded, it will appear as a zip file in your downloads folder. Now right-click on the zip file and select Extract All or use a third-party tool like 7-zip. Extract the folder in the same directory or to a location of your device. After extraction, you will see a folder named something like Yuzu Windows MSVC Early Access. Now, open the extracted folder, find and double-click on yuzu.exe to start the emulator. Now, for legal reasons, Yuzu does not come up with keys or games preloaded. You can find them on their website or other websites. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.